do that.
Yeah, man.
Right?
Alright, good vibe. Yeah.
Where they pan this at any one point in time. Hundreds of people online at once.
Yeah.
The same world. The man them just pull out on it.
Because
somebody can carry me.
yeah, never empty slot. I can't hold on from it. Who said that? Contractor?
Yeah.
My first.
Blue pump over here, so if you want.
Oh, may I have one man, but my first you make it there. Alright, cool.
So, you pull out on something like that?
Because them maybe the thing is maybe when them look into it, you know, them don't see how them can monetize it to the point where them can make billions of dollars out of it. You understand? So them.
Monetizing already.
Yeah, but may I say?
You see, sometimes we want to make too much money.
Precisely my point, and they never see how them can make the billions and billions out of it. So because them couldn't see that potential growth out of it.
I moved to my marker.
Because them couldn't see that the potential growth. Yo, you know, to do this, you know, you can just pull out time. You think them on Nintendo?
After them problem. That's why Nintendo now start make money.
Yo, Nintendo.
Nintendo, you know, circle, we go and loot and farm and do every striking thing we want.
Yo, who man sound like?
No man, we don't have no more loot in our going there.
Go for Pola. Yeah man, go for Pola.
Combat a 3-med kit. Glory to Anna, man.
Come here, go up here, man. I go for heal, man.
There's a Pola already.
Boy, I must up the man. I'm going to every day.
Let me check my chat. Hold on, let me check my chats. Alright,
Yo, people are after me, brother.
Then I mean, are you one the pan zip line going up there like yeah?
Yo, them youth, man, never shell them. Watch me. No, I will be telling if you go the man them, the brother. And that's why I mean.
That's how we the red marker there?
Yes, my, the man them over there, so yo.
I don't see them.
Brother, them man, yeah, laser them, you know, yo.
Then if you have sniper shot him on them, man.
So may I hear them and can't see them.
You.
Me a fall.
The man them, they palm me, yo.
Tell them to come off. Why?
Ellis. Oh, no, Ellis up here with him. Two ready.
Now forward.
Hold on.
What the hell? Come on! This is why I'm not. This is why I'm shooting stream.
Oh man.
This is why I'm shooting stream. I'm shooting fly up.
Hold on one day. Where other one there? Don't play with me, youth.
I saw late.
Them are dance, man. I feel we chat that for me, though.
The man are asked.
No man, me chat for you, but we just are going.
Oh, alright, Mills.
Yo, one other one did a hide in Ellis. I'm gonna knock him.
Alright, Mills, comment in my chat so that some people can see you, so that they can go subscribe to your channel and time them get the time.
What you call me? You just call me?
Anna Mills. Oh, Ellis.
Yeah, one goal
No, me just, watch out. Me name a whole heap of the syllables and the verbs, and the one vowel a while ago. so me name is Ellis.
You take up a goal?
Hurry up, when you're editing me.
Yeah, me so far, David. Ellis, me so far.
Look on a need that build there. One goal to that there.
Okay. So me have 3.
Oh, mistake. That?
No, that's a P90. Well, change the P90.
Up in a Red Bull 876, welcome to the stream. Me there, them me drop out, but me get 2 kills. Them can't give me no chat.
somewhere. Gonna fair. You still a go
Yo,
for
tell them why they say.
Yo, them over here, sir, camp.
2019 man, and be no bot, you know, man. I get up them skills, you know, man. Me 1v1 Uchi in a 2 weeks time, you know. If me win, she have to join my clan.
Uchia?
Yeah.
Let me tell you who you want to be. Mike.
Hold on, say that again.
My kitchen.
Oh, yeah. Me run couple something there with her, couple games with her already. But now that, you know, I me tell you, we don't want to sign as much Jamaicans as we can to the clan, but we can't sign everybody.
You have a clan?
Yeah, we have a clan. 876 clan. 876 clan. You can look you up on YouTube to 876 PS clan.
Oh, we never know say it's a clan with that.
I mean, sign one real something. Or this one like.
They did one giant for that do it. If that's a if.
A real something or this one group.
No, alright, me tell you. Alright, the 876 clan is an actual clan where we just a startup, but we actually are going to do real clan based things, go out events, host events, but we do content and stuff too, right? So we basically do as much as we can do to get a clan over. So right now, yeah, those are the chief financial officer.
88 officer.
Me are the CEO, Bulls are the chief financial officer, Chumi are the chief operating officer.
Yeah, right?
Oh my god. A baby boy then.
Good man.
You want to join? Killer Love God, you want to join the 76 clan? Alright, as me say, recruiting process is not currently active right now. We always scout people, but we're not always recruiting. Right? So, as much as people don't see it, me always a recruit. That's why I watch so much different Jamaicans and try to know so many different Jamaicans. Right? At the same time. Because me always try to recruit new players and new people. Because as me say, the primary goal of the 876 clan is content creation. You understand? We can get the name out there to make people know, say, yo, Jamaicans are bad people playing game too. You see me? Right? The secondary objective now is to do the esports thing now, where we can actually can fund and fuel the clan. So if we start do things like merchandise and anything there.
Drink your mini.
Yo, Ellie, you can't come high ground with me now. Yo, if me have jump on, me have move. Okay. Oh, me out of match. Yeah, dead.
Sam. Copy redeploy. Go.
No, anything.
Bombard.
Oh, we got one support.
Yo! too sweaty for me. I did it.
Yeah. All right. Back. Let me see. Let's check these comments now. First thing first. Before I go on for comments. All right. What's that? Put up on a short list. All right. So, as you guys know, that hold on, somebody must have hold up. Alright, so I'm going talking in the meantime.
I did it.
You're right, dead man. Then even know. That's the one they were killing. Ah boy. Yes, I be a Japanese name them Shindo, Ozama, and Shanks. Alright, so that's a One Piece reference. Ozama, I'm not sure where that's from. Shindo, definitely not from Japanese name there. But really, we can start GG. Alright, so as I tell now people, yeah, if you look on list, alright, so with current talent roster, I think about 6 or 7 people right now. And we plan to increase the roster to 10. Maybe not this quarter or the first or second quarter, for the third or fourth quarter. But eventually we're going to increase the roster to 10. But for right now, we just are focused with the talent that we have now and try to push them as much as possible, right? As in get them channel over, put in some merchandise sales and all of them stuff there, right? So that's basically what we are trying to do. But the list of people we're scouting is 187 people, right? So any of the 187 people could potentially make it as a clan member, you understand? And we have to weigh our options carefully when we are pick who and who we are going to involve in the clan and stuff, because we have to obviously choose people that have the time to can commit, and if they don't have the time, them have the if they don't have as much time, them at least have enough content we can produce, or they can make it to live events, we can support the clan and represent and stuff with. So we have to take all of that into consideration. So as we say, despite would I like to start sign as much our friends and give them as much contracts as possible, but right now we have to just focus on the people who we have now, right? And just try to make sure so we can fulfill their contractual obligations first before we can do anything else, before we can even think of saying, alright, I could sign 50 or 20 people at once so that we can just have a bag of people and we talent roster just enormous, because that doesn't make sense. Business wise, that's stupid. Right? It would have better if we just sorry, excuse me. It would be best it would be a smarter move if we sign a small amount of people first and then move forward with that, the smaller roster there, and build them and build up the channel, the clan channel, and build up the clan name itself. And then now we get people, we get more people if we can go in at the clan when the clan reach to its stage where we can actually sign better contracts to people. You understand? Right. Hey, no, Atumbo, hey. Anyways, so that's basically the idea, because it wouldn't make sense business wise if you sign a bunch of people and can't keep track of them, and it wouldn't make sense content wise if you sign a bunch of people and can't keep track of them, right? So if we can sign a few people now and work with the people we have now and get them as far as we can possibly get them.
I think they are represented. Like, you know, some people represent them.
Yeah, alright. Like as I say, the current talent roster what we have now is about 6 people, right? Some of these people don't have some of these people contracts very specific, you understand? Some of them contracts very specific. So some of them make content and do other things behind the scenes. You get what I mean? I say? So we can't just get up and just sign a bunch of people now and then we
behind the scenes,
like we have rules. There are rules what people have. For me, have the CEO role. You have people like Bullseye have the CFO role, and Trimmy have the COO role.
Bullseye.
You see me and watch Bullseye and me know say I know.
Yo, which Bullseye at that? Bullseye when they did
Huh? Gamer underscore 876 Bullseye.
Underscore 876.
Yeah, Gamer underscore 876 TV Bullseye. That Bullseye.
Am I Jamaican?
Yeah man, of course I'm Jamaican. You never hear my talk?
I defend Bullseye at that.
Okay.
Tell me something.
Yeah.
Question. What is Nightbot? Like Nightbot automatically.
Alright, Nightbot is a streaming bot where you can use to set commands and them stuff there. Just like Firstbot, but Firstbot shut down.
Why?
I'm not sure. Maybe some legal obligations or something. Sometimes companies like these do that so that they can manage them trafficking. Because if they get too much people at traffic to their website and they don't have the facilities to can take care right and stuff. Because Firstbot free, you know, you have to remember that.
Oh, but Nightbot you have to pay for the Nightbot.
No man, Nightbot free too. I think majority of them free, but like some of them don't have like the bucketive what they would have want. So because they don't have that level of bucketive there, sometimes they just can't do.
Okay.
Yeah man, they can't do what they don't want to do. But yeah, Nightbot you can set commands with Nightbot. So as long as you learn. Yeah man, continue.
So Nightbot can automatically like block.
Yeah, you can.
Where you know like things where they not for yourself on the channel.
Yes. So you can set a list of things where they're not supposed to say. And things where they're not to do like spam caps and exclamation marks and punctuation and them stuff there. Right? Yeah man. So a whole heap of things. So I just one of them streaming thing the way you know you just people a lot of people gravitate to. You see me? But as I say now still in terms of the clan thing, everybody wants to be a part of the clan. Some people for different reasons. Some people want to be a part of it because I just something what they just want to do, right? But we're not just try to just create something where people can just be a part of. We just say them be a part of. We are trying to change. We are trying to change the world's opinion on Jamaican and gaming. You understand? We have like enough people don't know say the esports team with the most Guinness World Record is a Jamaican own it. That's an Empire Arcadia. You can Google that. So there's some facts here. The esports team with the most world records in the world is a Jamaican who won that esports team.
Really?
Really. Empire Arcadia is owned by a Jamaican, Isaiah Triforce Johnson. Tony in there right now. In Travel that.
We used to play Clash of Clans and we see how we used to play Empire.
Yeah man, him travel to Africa the other day, go set up esports down there. Yeah man, what if I move? You see me? So we are trying to change the whole, we are basically trying to change the world's view on Jamaican gaming. So it's a lot of behind the scenes work. That's why, that is why I'm telling you.
Like online gaming too, you know say people create and learn the online from them.
That's why I tell you, so we do a lot of things different, you understand? We do a lot of things different, is it? So we are trying to make a change so that at the end of the day the rest of the world can look on the change or we see and say, yo, this started with a couple other people, but we as the 876 clan just take it and run with it and just take it to the next level, and that we are trying to do. And we can't do that if we have 150,000 people to manage. You understand? But when we reach the stage now, we can have other branches and smaller branches and factions and other little things that we can use. We can branch off to make other people understand and play them part and have a little role now in the clan and stuff. You see me? And it can even become a job opportunity for a person who left school, don't have no skill per se, and then don't have a career choice and they only have a skill and they want skilled gamer. And then decide they don't want to take that up as their career. You see what I say? Because in all honesty, you know, easy out here. You get what I say? So, yeah man, we're trying to make
Kevin, take away no people branch over.
Alright, and that may I try to tell you. You keep me on the streets right now, but you keep me at a whole heap of trouble back in my days. A whole heap. You see me? But yeah man, I'm glad to I grew up that the way there. I'm glad to gaming away my thing. So yeah, me just take gaming seriously. Not serious, me take gaming seriously, not competitively. Meaning to me now go take it to a certain level like some people, but me take it seriously as in a certain way. If me choose between playing game or anything else, me prefer play a game than any other option or more than be presented. If I that me have to do for a living, you get what I say? Because I like to entertain, now I entertain, that's my thing. You see what I say? So yeah, people, I could probably in the stream right now. I'm going to do a press conference meeting for the whole 876 clan live and the 876 clan eventually one of the days. So you guys look out for that. And you can subscribe to the 876 clan, that's 876. The actual numbers, not words. So 876 space and then clan. You will find it. Nice, pretty black, green, and gold logo. Also, people don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys can be notified every single time we drop a video. We're also having a $10 PSN giveaway. Might bump that up a little bit when we reach 1,000. As soon as we get to 2,000, we're giving away a smartphone. Yeah, because you know, so now all we have phones, you can watch internet. We have a thief granny phone more while and watch our internet and then someday. Yeah, and just go and print me video them. So yeah, me I give you a smartphone and reach 2K. You see me? Me not gonna disclose which kind of phone now because the phone might be outdated at the time when me actually reach 2K. So when we reach 2K, we'll just find a decent phone. It won't be a big high-end phone, but it won't be a small budget phone where you can play a 1080p 60 FPS video or you play a 1080p video span, right? So that's one of the things. And then guys, don't forget the first quarter up, but on the second quarter this year we're doing free agent season, guys, where you guys can also get an Atumbo pack for yourself. So you get an icon, a banner, a thumbnail. You get an icon banner, you get 5 thumbnails, and you guys also get a promo video for yourself. So yeah, and congratulations to JDC for winning this season and unruly chip as well. So there's a lot of things to go over, people. We'll pretty much end the stream here, and don't forget guys, if you guys can't wait for the free agent season, you guys can contact me on any of my social media them, and you can link me up and we can talk about it, and as soon as we finish talking about it, you can get your own Atumbo pack custom, or if you just need thumbnails and icons or any little thing, you can talk about it, work out the price, because I'm not there to kill nobody. I try to make a living, but still, I know say hard to make a living, so that's why the free agent season is there. All you have to do is just catch me early, sign up in the account. I might consider doing one every month. So I might do maybe one free promo video every month, and you guys can enter that contest over which way it want to work. But yeah, people, big up to everybody. Mr. Ellis, you now pass through the stream so people them can find the channel easy better.
Yeah, they are upload.
No, it's not a matter if you hardly upload it. Polar Plays, what's up? Welcome to the stream. You actually came a bit late. We're about to end the stream, Polar Plays. However, there will be some uploads coming soon. No man, and if you're going to Polar, let me tell you this, here. You see, for one orange, you have you promote the one orange. No, but let me tell you, alright, listen to me, Ellis, here. I start YouTube with a styrofoam tripod where I still use, you hear me say? One styrofoam tripod where I still use, one laptop with half a screen gone and the hinge crack out, one phone where could have, one Motorola X910 where could have record in a 1080p, that's the only phone I did have, right? I'm a tear up white shirt. Go and go watch my first video and see it, yeah? I'm going to make a bag of promises. I'm going to complete about 80% of the promises then, yeah? I'm going to do that now for almost 3 years now. And if me did follow people and say me need to get the right kind of PC and the right kind of camera and the right kind of equipment and all them something, my channel would have never reached the way it reached now. Start from humble beginnings with what you have. Claw and scratch and work your way up till you can reach where you can reach and you can get where you can get, because there's so much more I don't want to do for the channel, but it costs a lot of money, but me have the time and the patience to can wait for my success. The only time success come before work in the dictionary. I'm willing to put in my work to reach what me need to reach, because me tell you, I'm passionate about gaming, right? I'm serious about gaming, and as long as me have breath in my lungs, me I go push out to gaming. You see what I say? Me I go push out to entertaining, because that's something I love, that's something I enjoy, and it give me the opportunity to can help other people. You see it? So don't make nobody try to tell you say you need 100,000 Jamaican dollars to start one YouTube channel. Shit them at all. Me started with no money none at all and some free Wi-Fi.
Yeah, man.
You see it? Anyway, I hate that in my ears. So yo, thanks for pass through, thanks for help me with all of the I can't pronounce a better the name on stream, because I pronounce the name on stream. The youth here when I highlight him. Yeah man, not Ellis man. The brother from yeah man, I can't say name on stream. Yeah, cause you know my children watch it, so the better people, man, help me out and make me slap off the whole of my challenges them and things. You know what I say? So yeah, big up to him. You can follow them on Epic and all of them something there, people. Again, Triplets fam, you know this was a long outro, but we just have to get as much as we can get off. Now from me get some rest because I'm not working tomorrow. So if you guys don't see an upload, well, I'll try to do something for you tomorrow. But if you guys don't see an upload, just remember, I'll try to get some rest because I'm supposed to go on vacation. But the grind never stops. Alright, Atumbos, this is it. We are out. Y'all take care of yourselves. And I'll see you in another live stream and our video.